Installation Guide for the Brinks Commercial Emergency Exit Device with Keyed-in Lever. This exit device is UL 305 compliant, ANSI Grade 1, and ADA compliant, and can be installed on right or left-hand single doors, 28 to 42 inches wide, or double doors with a mullion, 30 to 42 inches wide, and with a door thickness between 1 3/4 to 2 inches. If your door is less than 36 inches, you will need to cut the rail and sliding shim. For doors between 30 and 35 inches wide, cut the rail to leave a minimum of 1 3/4 inches from the end of the rail to the edge of the door jamb. For doors between 28 and 29 inches, remove the sliding shim and cut the rail at the line on the back marked Max Cut Limit, and use the provided small sliding shim. Here are the tools required for installation. The exit device comes with everything else you will need. Preparing the door. From the push side of the door, first measure 40 inches from the floor and mark the door near the door frame to establish your center line. Place the provided template into position by using the small cutout window to align it to your indicated center line, then secure with tape. Use a hammer and punch to mark the center of each hole. Note: when marking the center of the hole marked B, do not use the small cross mark for the 1 1/4 cylinder. Instead, use the larger cross for the hole marked 2 1/8 for lever trim. Once the holes are marked, drill pilot holes on the jamb and door. Using the chart, select the appropriate drill bit based on the type of door material and fastener required. Be careful not to drill through to the opposite side. Only drill the pilot hole for the lever trim through the door. Next, drill a 2 1/8 inch hole for the lever trim. Note: drill from both sides to avoid damaging the door. Place the template for the pull side on the door by matching the center cross with your existing pilot hole. Adjust the template to make sure the center line is as vertical as possible. Then secure with tape. Using a hammer and punch, mark the center of the top and bottom holes and the 2 smaller holes on the sides. Remove the template. Using a 5/16 drill bit, drill the top and bottom holes at a depth of 5/8. Then, using a 5/32 drill bit, drill the 2 side holes at a depth of 3/16. Finally, drill a 2 1/8 inch hole for the lever trim. Your door is now ready to install the exit device. Installing the lever trim. First, insert the lever into the hole on the pull side of the door. Place the inside mounting plate on the push side, with the flange pointing toward the latch edge of the door. Then, fasten the lever using the 2 installation screws. Installing the exit device, align the tailpiece receiver on the back of the head chassis to the lever tailpiece, and insert until the push bar is flush with the door. Align the screw holes of the head chassis with the mounting holes on the door and secure with one S1 or S2 screw at the top. Using a level and the push bar as a guide, rotate the end of the exit device until level. Insert the end cover mounting bracket and mark the holes. Then drill your pilot holes for the bracket. Reinsert the end cover mounting bracket into the rail and align with the new pilot holes. Then fasten with 2 S1 or S2 screws. Now, using 3 more mounting screws, finish securing the head chassis. Test the operation of the exit device. To test the lever, it must be unlocked first. Insert the key and rotate 180 degrees to unlock the door. You can now turn the lever. Lock the lever again and remove the key. Fit the head cover onto the head chassis and fasten with the 2 small S11 screws. Attach the end cover using the S12 screw. Installing the strike. Align the slots of the strike using the previously drilled holes, and align the outside edge of the strike with the outside edge of the doorstop. Secure using two S1 or S2 screws. Close the door to verify that the latch extends properly. If you need more clearance, or if there is too much play with the door, adjust the strike, left or right, as needed. After installation is complete, test the operation to be sure the door opens and closes correctly. Finally, if necessary, using the provided filler plate, cover the latch bolt hole on the door frame and secure using the appropriate screws. To extend the life of your exit device, it is recommended to lock the push bar in the open position when the door is in continuous use. To lock, hold the push bar down, insert the dogging wrench into the hole on the push bar, and turn counterclockwise. To unlock, while holding the push bar down, use the dogging wrench and turn clockwise to release the push bar. Your new Brinks Commercial Exit Device with keyed-in lever is now ready for use.